Here we go, episode 13 is here and we are about to completely rip off an inversion from Hyperia at Thorpe Park. Let's see how this one turns out. Welcome back to our Planet Coaster series where we are building a 100 inverting roller coaster. By the end of this episode we will have a roller coaster with 13 inversions and we will take you on an on-ride POV of that at the end of this episode. So I've decided to take out one of the inversions and rebuild it, just placing it in after the Cobra roll. As we said at the start of the video, recently we've been to Thorpe Park and we got back on the incredible Hyperia with its outer banked inversion, or the crema roll. Let us know in the comments below what you call that inversion, because it is the first of its kind in the world. Incredible inversion, and I'm trying to kind of copy it unsuccessfully, maybe. I'll let you guys be the deciders of that once you've seen the actual on-ride footage. Not entirely sure this would fit that well on a Gerstlauer Eurofighter, but here we go, it's going in. And like I said, at the end of this episode, this roller coaster will have 13 inversions, and therefore we are one inversion off the record that the Smiler holds at Alton Towers. Just a little bit of on-ride footage there. I despise what I've done there with that second inversion. That is going to have to completely change, especially as the roller coaster now doesn't actually make the next inversion. That looks rather uncomfortable for the guests being stuck there. That's plenty enough hang time, I think, for our guests. So let's reprofile the outer bank turn, which actually I don't think looked too bad. But we can do better. But yeah, the second inversion leading into the block brake section was very, very janky. So yeah, that is, as you can see, that has been completely removed. Like I was saying, we're one inversion off the record of the Smiler at Alton Towers, which is obviously a 14 inverting roller coaster. And once we break that record and we hit 15 inversions, that will be when we this starts to get quite interesting, and we start adding 5 inversions at a time per episode. So yeah, we'll have the 14th inversion episode next, then 15, and then after that we'll be jumping up to 20. Yeah, that looks much better actually from the on-ride footage. Here's a little bit of off-ride footage for you as well. Yeah, quite like that pacing. May just need to check the stats on that. And there we go, it's heading into the middle part of that roller coaster with a little bit more speed. Hopefully should make that right the way through the rolls. There we go. Number of inversions, we are now at 13 inversions. Before we dive into the POV of our roller coaster, there is just enough time to show you very quickly some theming that I've been working on. A nice brick bridge. Inspiration from this actually comes from a very large railway bridge up in Stockport near Manchester, which is nowhere near where I live, but I have family up there and it's a cool looking bridge, so that's going in. If you've seen this bridge in real life, do let me know in the comment section below. But apart from that, enjoy the on-ride POV and ignore the pop-up that comes up just before the lift hill. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy.